Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. And you pack it, I know by the
girls, let me see your hands. Wave girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
They get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket off promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we LVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch or both. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the bodies, God, the period. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. Ain't my last, I know wiping her. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 fun. They can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I brought everybody. Gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm broke, see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't rock on my problems, we stacking up wallow and swallow. Try get it mega book. See them drip with the nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. No PF, look like the new BML. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. So you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us till they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fit. Scotch, rollers, movie, and a prison. 150, flying, Richard Melo. But they got me to his empty. Look, cause I spit that flavor to the empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. Make my last and no wiping up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing something.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the water in my shoe.
Yeah, but we're going to 127.
She love the toys. Keep it coming, Mariah. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I left you close? In my head, you selling action. These days don't look my age. Niggas be blasting.
Try not to speak directly. Okay, y'all, I'm finally done with my lashes, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm looking for them serious. I'm gonna show y'all when I sit in the car, cause let me show y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all the lashes, okay? Yeah, she did that. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm about to get sick.
We ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go.
How much is hers? She had a watch. I'm dead. Huh?
Nice, I just wanted to take a picture of y'all. Y'all so pretty.
Oh, thank you. What's up, y'all? It's me, and I'm back. It's currently 8:07. I just got home. So now I'm about to go take a shower. But let me tell y'all how I didn't get my nails done. I probably did say that already, but yeah, I had to reschedule, y'all. And I feel like I'm gonna cancel again because Friday I work. And you know, when you work at a warehouse, it's just you be tired, you know? So reschedule or not, or if I'm just gonna cancel because ain't no point of just going, but I need my nails done. So we gonna see. I'm not gonna post the video yet. I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna see if I can get my nails done Friday. And I'm gonna add the clip, but as for right now, the maintenance is complete, babe. Like, I don't know if you can see, but my hair is done, lashes is done, and my eyeballs is done too. I just didn't get a facial because I forgot. I wanted to get a facial. But anyways, y'all, right now I'm about to clean my room and it looks a mess. Let me show y'all, okay? So we gotta clean this whole mess. But this is my setup right here. This is my camera and my light. Don't ask me why I have 3 lights. I don't know, I just feel like it's better. But see all the things on the floor? You see my gym bag? You see like closet? You see my bed? You see the clothes that I was yeah. So we gotta clean it. We gotta look at this. I'm not even gonna keep going because this is a mess. Let me get back to it. Let's go ahead and clean this room and call it a day.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my, Junior watching, I be on my, tell them this, Diddy Mitch.
We've been down, it's my regular. I'm talking takes my bed now.
Yo, this is my little saving jokes because if I don't do that, I'm gonna spend all my money. So y'all need to get this, okay?
It's my regular. I'm talking.
I don't know if I'm at the right place because I don't even see. It don't even look like she do nails here. But anyway, oh, she's looking out the window. So, yeah.
I'm talking. between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, let me like you do. That's why I mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good
Do her thing, because I really like these, y'all. I'm gonna have to kind of put a picture in this face. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get going now, and I'm gonna go get some music because but anyways, y'all, we'll see y'all when I get there.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. That'll work, come over.
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends.